We'll guide you through how to design a logo in Inkscape. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Inkscape on your computer. Once it's open, you'll see a blank canvas. Start by setting the canvas size to match your logo requirements. Go to File, then Document Properties, and adjust the dimensions. Next, use the rectangle and ellipse tools from the left toolbar to create basic shapes. You can adjust the size and position by dragging the corners or entering specific values in the toolbar at the top. To combine shapes into more complex designs, use the Path menu. You can select your shapes, go to Path, and then choose Union to merge them or Difference to subtract one from another. For adding text, select the Text tool and click on your canvas where you want the text to appear. Type your brand name or initials. Then customize the font and size from the toolbar at the top. You can also adjust the spacing and alignment to fit your design. To color your elements, select an object and use the Fill and Stroke panel on the right. Here, you can change the fill color, and stroke width. If you want to add gradients, select your object, then click on the gradient tool from the left toolbar and drag across your shape to create a gradient effect. Once your logo looks perfect, you'll want to save it in a format suitable for your needs. Go to File, then Save As, and choose an appropriate format like SVG for scalability or PNG for web use. Remember to save your work often to avoid losing any progress. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.